Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to turn at a stop sign. In this video, I'll be going over the simple basics of turning right or left when you approach and encounter a stop sign while driving. Now, without further ado, let's get right to it. I'm going to drive up ahead to the stop sign and I'll demonstrate it a few times. So first and foremost, as you approach the stop sign, you're going to begin to slow down. Then you're going to engage in the safety procedures, which is signal, mirror, mirror, blind spot. Now you're going to start by putting your signal on, either left or right, depending on which way you're turning in advance. Then you're going to check your rear view mirror. You're also going to check your side mirror on the side that you're turning on, left or right. And then you are going to check your blind spot on the appropriate side, once again, left or right. Then you're going to come to a complete stop and you're actually going to start the process for checking for pedestrians and traffic in front of you and turning, because all of those safety procedures were with regards to checking for pedestrians and traffic behind you. All right, so let's get right to it. I'm approaching a stop sign right over here. I'm going to put my left signal on. I'm starting to slow down, check my rear view mirror, my left side mirror, my left blind spot, coming to a complete stop, scanning the right, scanning the left, the right again. Now I'm going to press the accelerator while turning the wheel, just like this, holding it there, and then releasing it. And it's literally that simple. Now let's go through it one more time. I'm approaching this stop sign. Now I'm going to put my right signal on, slowing down. I'm pressing the brake pedal, rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot check. No pedestrians or obstacles or anything. Come to complete stop, left, right, left, proceed. It's literally that simple. Now, a few key factors as I demonstrate myself doing this a few more times. A few key factors. Number one, safety should be your number one priority. And that means, first and foremost, making sure that you come to a complete stop, making sure that you're checking your blind spots, checking your mirrors and so forth, and also making sure that you have the right of way. Now also, with regards to safety, and there's no stop sign with this turn that I'm going to make right here. That's why I'm not coming to a stop. But with regards to safety, you have to remember that you should only make the turn when it's safe to do so and when you have the right of way. Also, when you come to a complete stop, it's important for you to check all directions. At a four-way stop, I always like to look left, center, right, left again. And at a two-way stop, let's say, if I'm just looking left and right, if it's a Y intersection, I like to look left, right, left again. So I always check the first direction twice and the other directions only once. Here's an all-way stop, a four-way stop. My signal's going on. There's nobody here. We're checking the mirrors, checking the blind spot. I'm looking left, center, right, left. There's no traffic, no pedestrians. I have the right of way so I can proceed. Now check this out. With regards to steering, when you're turning, you're going to be accelerating a little bit, just barely pressing the gas pedal. And then you want to be able to turn the steering wheel and hold it throughout the turn and then release it when you finish the turn. Here is an all-way stop again, but there's only three ways to this intersection. So my signal goes on, come to a complete stop, mirrors check, blind spot check, right, left, right again. I'm safe to proceed. There's no one else here. Now, there are various rights of way that you should know of, and even if you have the right of way but someone else decides to go, then you know what, it's not worth the accident. Just let them go. It's as simple as that. So you want to make sure that you have the right of way and it's safe to proceed before you actually proceed. And that's basically it. That is how to turn at a stop sign. Once again, this doesn't have a stop sign right here. That's why I'm simply rolling through it. That is how to turn at a stop sign. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are some other tips for turning right or left at a stop sign? Let me know down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.